Hi, this is Dirk from SmartThings Solutions in Germany. Welcome on our booth here at the ISE 2020. Let me introduce you our new product. This is the so-called sDot. It's an inductive charger. You just stick the charger underneath any tabletop and it charges through tabletops up to a thickness of 32 millimeters. So what you need is you just stick the charger underneath the tabletop and you plug the charger in here on the side. You plug it in, and on top of the countertop you need these circular pads to amplify and to pinpoint where the actual charger is. So it's all, no tools required, you only stick it underneath, you don't need to damage any furniture. It's an easy solution. You can customize and put in your brand names in the circular pads, which makes it quite easy for you to make something special, get a special solution for your company. So if you want to get more information, please have a look on our website www.smart-things.com.